Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be coming at y'all with another BoxyCharm unboxing. Today I'm going to be coming with the June BoxyLuxe box. So this month I upgraded my box to the BoxyLuxe, which is just a bigger version of your BoxyCharm. So this is really a good size box. So in the BoxyLuxe you get 9 full-size products. So instead of like the 4 to 5 full-size products, you're gonna get 9 full-size products, and this one is $49.99 instead of the $21. So this month is a BoxyLuxe month, so let's get right into the box. So it's pretty heavy because it is a few things in here. Again, I have been looking at some sneak peeks, so I know what to expect in this box, and this is how it looks. When you open it, it says hello charmer. Oh, and this is what's in the box. So it looks like this. That's how it looks. So inside the box we get a card. This one is bigger this month because, like I said, it's a bigger box. So you get the BoxyCharm getaway card. And it tells you all the full prices and the items that are in your box, and we're going to go over these as soon as we start getting into the items. So first thing on top that I see is this little bag, which is the blow dryer. See, okay, so I watched some of the spoilers, so I already knew that we were getting a blow dryer in the BoxyLuxe. So this is a mini blow dryer, and it's by the brand PYT. Just comes in this little satin like dust bag. And oh, I got blue. Okay, I got blue, so I kind of wanted the purple, but the blue is cute too. So I got a little small blue blow dryer. Like, it's very small, size of my hand. So yeah, it comes with this blow dryer, really cute for traveling purposes. And this blow dryer also comes with 2 attachments. So this little tiny blow dryer has its own attachments. So we get like a curl diffuser like this. It comes with that, and it also comes with like a nozzle to like focus in. So that's cute. That's really cute, really helpful when you're traveling. So that comes in the box. All right, so for the next thing that comes in the box, it's another hair product. It's this Living Proof Dry Volume Blast Spray. This is like a styling or finishing spray. It says instant lasting volume and texture. Okay, again, I don't really see myself using this volume spray, but hey, it was included in there. So this one so far is like a dud for me. So let's go over the pricing. I forget to do this every time. So that PYT Mini Turbo On The Go dryer was retailing at $85, and then this Living Proof volume spray is $29. So we already over $100 with those 2 items. So all right, so the next thing that I'm seeing in my box is this No Problem Prime Essence. So this is just a primer. I believe we got a primer. Yeah, I got the Milk Primer Stick in my last box. So here's just another option for a primer. It's by Touch and Soul, the No Problem Prime Essence. This is how the No Problem Prime Essence looks, and it just comes in the box. So that's another good item that we get in our June BoxyLuxe, a Prime Essence, and this retails for $23. So next, I see this by Dr. Brandt. It is Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yoga Cleanser with Chlorophyll. This is something that I've seen a lot of people being very excited about. Now this cleanser by Dr. Brandt is $35 retail value. Okay, here we go. So this is how the cleanser looks by Dr. Brandt right here. All right, so on to the next. The next thing that I see in my box is this Tarteist Pro Glow 3 palette, and this is a cheek palette. So it's like a highlighter and bronzer palette, and it's by Tarte. It looks just like this. This palette is so cute. I love the magnetic packaging, how it snaps down like that. But these are the colors. I don't know if it came in different variations. Nope, but these are the colors right here. They are blush and bronzer. So I probably could make these highlighters. I know I can make these highlighters, and I probably can work with the blushes, but I don't like no shimmery bronzer, so I probably would never use that. But this is how it looks. Really cute, really nice. Thank you so much, BoxyCharm, because I didn't get the blush palette in the last box, in May's box, so I'm happy that I got that in this box. So this is very exciting. This retails for $45. $45. So bam, this is a really good. We doing real good. Next thing I see is this Trestique, and this is, what is this? This is, okay, so this is Trestique's Good Vibes mascara. This retails for $25, and it is like a mascara right here. What color is this in? Please be black. Please be black. I don't know nobody who uses a brown mascara. Okay, let's see. So yeah, it's a black mascara by Trestique, and then on the top right here it has a curler. How do you work it? It says flip down to curl. Huh. Oh, that's cool. So you could just curl your eyelashes right here on the mascara if you needed it. But I don't need this because I just got an eyelash curler in my last box. So this is a Trestique Good Vibes mascara, and this goes for $25 if I didn't say that. Alright, so we only have about 3 things left in our box to go over. The other 3 things, I'm gonna save the things that I was most excited about for last. So I'm gonna move on to this, and this is M. Green Grass Hand and Body Butter, and this is inspired by France. It's a fragrance, summer and nice. So this is by the brand Anderson Lily. So the brand is Anderson Lily M. Green Grass Hand and Body Butter, summer and nice scent, and this is 5 ounces. So it's a good size body butter. Let's see what it smells like. It smells good. Kind of smells like a coconut oil or cocoa butter type of scent. So it smells good, and it looks really thick. That's how it looks. So pretty thick, pretty nice. And this is the packaging on this, the M Grass. Real good. On to my last 2 items. This is one of the items that I was pretty excited to try. This is the Dominique Cosmetics. So this is a lip gloss, and these are Dominique Cosmetics lemonade lip glosses. So this one is in, I got peach tea. Oh, I love me some peach tea. So it's like a pink nude color. So this is how the lip gloss looks by Dominique Cosmetics. Really nice. I'm really excited about this. So let me give you a swatch of this. Okay. And this smells absolutely amazing. Like I'm about to put some of this on because this smells amazing. And it's not too sticky. I'm just putting it on top of my Fenty gloss. So I'm really excited about this. You know, this smells like those old school lip glosses we used to get when we were kids, and they used to smell like vanilla cupcakes and stuff. So this smells really good. It doesn't smell like peach tea, but it does smell like a vanilla scent, like a pastry warm cake scent, something like that. So I'm really excited to get this Dominique Cosmetics lemonade lip gloss. So that's the other thing that's in the June BoxyLuxe. Alright y'all, so now we're down to the last item that I have in my BoxyLuxe box, and this is what I was most excited about. When I saw that this was gonna be in the box, I automatically upgraded right away because I really wanted to try something by this brand, and it is the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. So this is with hydrating honey and gentle flower acids. So this is just like a night serum, skincare night serum by the brand Pharmacy. And this is the packaging. It comes in like a little box. It's a 3 milliliter, 30. What does this say? Ooh, I hate the way they put these. So it's in a 30 milliliter, 1 fluid ounce bottle. This is how the bottle looks for the Pharmacy Night Serum. And let's see, it comes with the little pump. Comes with the pump like that, and let me try out. Oh, there it is. No scent really. I mean, it kind of has like a, cinnamon. I feel like I smell a little bit of cinnamon, but I don't know because I put something else on my hand. So really don't have like a strong scent, but this is what I was most excited about. This alone right here, this Honeymoon Glow Night Serum goes for $58 alone, which is more than the box. So this alone went ahead and made me decide to upgrade to the BoxyLuxe because I have been wanting to try some products by the brand Pharmacy. So this gave me my option to try something, and it's a night serum, which is something that I was looking to pick up anyways. So that's everything that came in my June BoxyLuxe. My box is now empty. They just put like this padding in here to protect some of the things. So they do package these boxes really well. This padding was in there, and then the glass jar was in a bubble wrap. So they pretty much protect your things so that they don't crack or break. All of my products were perfectly untouched. Nothing was broken, shattered, or anything like that. So I'm really happy with BoxyCharm so far. This is my second box by them, and I'm loving my subscription. I think it's worth every penny. So if you guys have not signed up for BoxyCharm, I will leave my links down below for a referral. And also, if you guys want to go ahead and sign up, I will also leave the link directly to the subscription site so that you can sign up. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video of me doing my June unboxing of BoxyLuxe. And if you did, give me a big thumbs up. Let me know you like these videos. And also, you guys just go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you're loving the videos that I'm putting out. I will be bringing more and more videos to you here soon. So if you like these videos, let me know by hitting the subscribe button and thumbs up the videos that you like. Leave me a comment and let me know if there's any other ideas you may want to see from me. But that's it for this video, guys. And I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.